Yay!
So we're just getting our weekend started. I just got off work like an hour ago, and we're on our way to Honda because I need to pick up my oil change stuff, my transmission fluid change stuff, and what else do we have here? Valve stems that we need to pick up from here?
No, I have the valve stem caps already.
Oh.
Yeah, I have all 4 of them actually.
What are you picking up? Oh, he's picking up his oil.
I'm gonna do an oil change as well. So we're getting oil for both of our cars, and then we're also getting transmission fluid for her car because we haven't done one, and then who knows when the last time or if it's ever been done on this car. And I mean, I guess that's it. I mean, we could do a brake change, but brake fluid change, but I have some fluid in mind that I want to put into our cars, so we could do that later down the line. But yeah, as of now, we're just gonna get some oil for both our cars and then trans fluid for hers. At the Honda dealership, yeah. Pulling up big.
Guys, I love this dealership.
I know, we come here all the time.
There's this guy that like low-key knows us.
Yeah, the parts guy?
Yeah, because we both have Type R's.
And he's like, oh yeah, I know you guys both have Type R's. They're tripping here though. They got the FL5 for like 20K over markup. I mean 20K over markup. 20K over MSRP, which is ridiculous.
Okay, so we just picked up my oil, transmission fluid, drain plugs, and tire caps, tire stems.
Okay.
So we picked up everything, and then Dom got whatever he needed. So now we're gonna head home and take rollers of Dom's car. I don't know. I think this blue is like too much for me. Honestly, I think I'd rather have my car as a darker color too.
I'm kind of nervous for you. It's fine. It's the plastic against the rocks and stuff. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Give it a little bit of gas. You can feather the gas just with the clutch. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, keep going a little bit more. You gotta keep going. Not too much though. There you go. Keep going. 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 Keep a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right. A little bit more. You gotta keep going. Hold on. Hold on. Let me adjust this other one. Go. Okay. Go forward. You're not gonna go completely on it. Go forward. All right, right there. Make sure she's still lined up. Yeah, it looks like she is for the most part. Okay. Go again. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Keep it a little bit more, a little bit more. Right there, right there. Boom, perfect.
So we just got back from Honda and we had to go pick up 2 more of these for my car, 1 for Dom's car, and then I had to pick up another one of this one. Okay, so I took off the 2 bolts that are right here. I just used a 10mm, but now I have to get a bolt that's back here, and I think it's also a 10mm. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure it is, but I just need a longer extension to get that one. So I think he has a 10 right here. Yeah. So I'm just going to be using this one to take it off, and then I need to start taking off the bottom tray for my
How's it going?
Going good. I just
Yeah?
took this off.
Nice.
I was able to take it off, guys. There was nothing that was holding it in. I thought there was another bolt, but it was just this part that was kind of stuck. but I got it off, so. Hope I don't get copyrighted. By the way, guys, this is a shirt from, I don't remember, but Beltran's FC2 Beltran's card is on the back. So that's why we bought it, because
To support the boy.
yeah, we support our friends over here. So that's our friend's car. It's a Honda Civic Sport. I'll put his at like right here or something. But yeah, cute car. Shout out Beltran and shout out Ethan because they have the cleanest FC2s ever.
There you go. It's a good angle. Hmm? Whatever you want to do. Move this back. Be careful. Remember, push it in. Once it gets loose, it'll leak a little bit. And then pull out in that way. So you don't get it on your hand. You just pull straight back and it'll get on your hand. Keep pushing in and you'll feel it kind of keep rounding. Yeah. Pull towards you. There you go. Nice. Not bad. Cool. You might be able to move this over enough to use the other one to drain the transmission fluid at the same time.
This one?
Yeah.
Can you do me a favor?
The top one off, which is gonna be right here. So after you take off your intake, you can look down into here. It's kind of next to this spike right here. There's like guide bolt right here, and it's gonna be an anvil head, 3/8. So you just take the anvil head of a ratchet into there, and you can take it off. Should come off. It's like 33 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. That's spec'd out too. Be pretty easy to take out. After that, we'll go ahead and take the opposite one that's underneath, and then there is a fill hole that will fill too. We'll show you guys that underneath as well. So you'll go past the header or the first pipe right here, past your engine mount, and it'll be right here. Pretty much engine mount or the dog ball mount, and then your drain plug for the transmission's right here. Doug is Johnny. You want me to do it?
Yes.
33 foot-pounds, so not a lot. That's probably 10, 20 in. If it's 946, then we could pretty much go down to 800, maybe a little bit more.
No.
You're not, yeah, you are. Yeah.
We'd go to less than 200. That's
No,
196.
But how are we gonna drain this bottle and go less than 200? If this is 946, then we'll just go to a little less than 800. Oh, this one says automatic.
You're lying.
Bruh.
Are you lying? You're so. Oh, you stress me out, dude.
You know?
Just know you guys are gonna see Dom in the next video.
No. Not one. Yeah.
We did take off the skid plate and we're not going to put it back on just because Dom actually has a friend that has a
Plasma cutting machine?
yes, so he's gonna
Make a custom one.
Yep.
Hopefully with some higher ventilation, so that way it keeps the engine cooler and stuff. We've seen some on the Facebook market group pages, and there was one that looked really nice and really promising for like good performance, but it turned out to be a scam. And if you're part of the Facebook groups, you probably have seen that. And yeah, so I was kind of bummed out once like we decided that we were gonna get one for her, and then it turned out to be a scam. So I have a buddy has a plasma cutting. I think for the sheet, a 4x10, a 4x10 sheet of aluminum is like $100, and you can make like probably like 5 to 6 of them on that sheet. So we'll make a couple, and then hopefully if it comes out good, we're gonna try to sell it to you guys.
We'll give you guys a link exclusive.
You see the video.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the 24.